going to do a detailed Detan slash facial video at home after so long, so thought to take all of you with me. For the very first step, which will be a very basic cleaning step, I'm taking a wet wipe from mom's scope. Wet wipes comes very handy and they clean my face very gently without any irritation. If you're a person who sweat very easily, you should carry a small wet wipes pouch in your bag all the time. Second step will be, of course, scrubbing. I love scrubbing. It helps me to get rid of those unwanted dead cells and black spots on my face. So here I'm using a very gentle scrub which has pumpkin extract. Being a dry skin person, I really don't like those scrubs which have really harsh particle which actually can damage my skin. In the contrary, I prefer this scrub, and this is from 6 AM Glow, and this gives me a very fresh feel also, and it actually exfoliates and brightens my skin in a lot more gentle way. So this is a very good gentle scrub. You can actually opt for it if you're looking for a good one. I will give it 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to wax my armpit with a wheat cold wax strips. I really prefer this wax strips. I have been using them for so long now that I have become a pro. But the pro tip for you will be apply a good amount of powder, baby powder you can actually opt for, and then give some time and try to learn the technique that how you should pull the strip to get the most benefit out of this process. Otherwise you will not be successful. A lot of people complain that this wax strips actually doesn't work, but honestly I have been using them for years and actually I can vouch for them. They are so affordable as well as very user friendly. I really love them. Before using another strip, don't forget to clean the area nicely and use a hanky or towel to dry it up. Then apply some powder again and then only apply the strip and pull it in a right technique. Then you will see the difference, and this one is, again I'm telling you, very budget friendly, guys. And the hairs which will grow will not be very thick. They will be very mild, and the growth of your armpit hair will slowly reduce, and it will also not darken your armpit area, which is again a very good thing. See, my face is already looking so fresh and calmed down and a little bit brighter than earlier. I have washed my face with normal temperature, like a room temperature water. I actually scrubbed my hands also, but I didn't scrub my armpit area. Actually, you should not ever do that because our armpit skin is very gentle and they shouldn't be scrubbed. The next step is I'm applying a orange peel pack. Actually, this is a very good homegrown brand. One homegrown brand actually has sent me. The brand name is Marty, and you can actually find them on Instagram. It's a very good orange peel face pack. This actually lifts my mood also, and it gives a very good detanning effect. I really recommend this face pack. I actually try to use this pack once a week. This one is really helpful. You can actually apply it all over your body. This one is very mild and it has no chemical. Whenever you will use it now, you will actually feel that it has no chemicals. So I prefer using it all over my body, and of course you can use it on your armpit also. It will whiten your armpit area too, and it has no fragrance. It is very natural, but I will recommend you to not exactly use it after you wax your armpit. Give it some time, or maybe you can use it on your armpit to whiten your armpit area. If you have very dark armpit, do it next day, but don't do this exactly after waxing. If your skin is sensitive or oversensitive, it can cause you some irritation, itchiness. So try to do all these steps, especially if you're doing something to whiten your armpit. Do it next day. As you can see, I have applied this mask all over my body. I waited for some time and then I washed it with again room temperature water. I don't know how much it's visible on camera, but it really changed my skin complexion. It made my tan a little bit fade, and I'm really happy with the result. It actually worked very good on my armpit area to lighten it up. Now I'm using a pack which I got from Nykaa, and this is a Detan pack, and this is from brand Ozone. And the texture of this pack is very creamy, but it has some chemical oriented things in it. It's not natural like the peel pack. So it has some fragrance. If you don't like fragrance in your skincare products, maybe you won't like it, but it has some kind of effect which makes my skin a little bit of white after putting this mask. And it's not a very favorite pack, I would say, but yeah, I use it sometime depending on my mood. It gives a illusion that it's actually fading your tan, but I feel that it actually gives a whitish effect, and it's not a very long term, it don't have a very long term effect. But yeah, I use it sometime depending on my mood, as I said. So if you want to opt for it, I can share the link. It's not something which will give your skin irritation or acne sort of a thing. Whenever I use a Detan pack now, I use it on my face, but I keep it on my forehead for 5 to 6 minutes more than my face and neck area, because my forehead get a lot of extra tan than my face. So this is a hack which actually I have learned from somebody and I shared it with you. You can follow it if you want. I kept it on my face 10 to 15 minutes max, and then I washed it. And now let me quickly show you the result of all the process we did. And yeah, this was a small skincare video. Festive season is just around the corner, and if you want to do something like this at your home and you want some product recommendation, you can comment down below or can ping me on Instagram. I will share the link with you. And now let me show you the final result. And after washing all the mask and everything, this is how my skin is looking like, and I am quite satisfied. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.